Hi everyone. Today we'll see how to complete an artwork review task. Go to your task dashboard, find the project for which you want to complete the review task, and click on Take Action. Once you click on Take Action, you'll be able to see the rendered version of the artwork. You're essentially required to do three things to approve or reject an artwork. You're required to check the items that have been assigned to you. You can choose to place a tick or a cross against each of the items. If you cancel any of the items, it means that you want this to be checked by the designer and changed by the designer. Hence, you'll have to reject the artwork. If you cross any of the items out, you can choose to place a comment on the artwork. For example, remove this can be a comment. You can also choose to tag your team members and ask them questions. You can say, is this correct? Basically, whatever you used to do over emails can be done using this comment section over here. You can also choose to reply on a particular thread and basically collaborate with your team members over the artwork. So that was the second thing that you do. First is checking the items, second is placing comments using annotations, and third is either rejecting or approving the artwork depending on what your checklist items say. Now before we do that, I'd also like to show you there are certain proofing tools that you can use to review an artwork. There is a color finder which will tell you different shades and different Pantones used on the artwork. The font finder will tell you font styles and sizes used on the artwork. The layer separator will allow you to isolate different layers. The measurement scale will allow you to measure certain things like the width of the artwork or size of the logo unit, for example. Spell checker will identify possible spelling issues. And lastly, there's a compare tool, which will allow you to compare between two versions of the same artwork. So you can compare a previous version with a new version of the artwork. You can see comments made in both of these artworks. And you can also choose to use the flicker mode to identify exactly what has changed on the artwork. Whatever has changed on the artwork will flicker over here, which will make it easier for you to identify the changes. You can also choose to download the reference files that were used for this project. You can also choose to download the artwork itself. And once you're done checking everything on the artwork, you can choose to reject it so that the feedback will go back to the designer. And that's it. That's how you complete an artwork review task. I'll see you in the next one.